There's one thing na alam natin about Blythe or Andrea Brillantes. She's always game for reinvention, and we love that about her. And with her being Ramona, it's something that we should all look forward to. And her launch and the launch of her debut single is very fitting kasi talagang na-release siya this International Women's Month. And we've known Blythe wearing a lot of different hats, but this time, may dinagdag na naman siya sa list of ganaps niya in life, and that is to be a modern OPM star. And we love that. So we watched the music video and we love the whole concept of it. And at the same time, I think we can all relate to the song as well. The song Gaga, the way we understood it is about, celebrity gossip and fake news culture, which hindi lang artistas or celebrities yung napagdadaanan yon, but like us, people. And that's really true, diba? People talk, people guess, and then kahit di nila alam yung full story or yung other side of the story, may sasabihin na sila agad sa iyo. So in this video, parang Ramona is transforming the public scrutiny into like a weapon of her own instead of just manahimik lang, which is very powerful. And again, talagang pang women empowerment. If you watch the music video thoroughly, parang you'll realize na baka nga nangyayari talaga to in real life, yung mga ganung scenario, diba? And also, a great actor, Pepe Herrera, is there as well. Excited, aside from this song, we're really excited for Ramona, as an artist, on how, or on where we're gonna see her in the future, ano pa yung mga songs niya, kasi talagang with this song, you'll feel that women are, really powerful and we have the right to speak up. So, have you watched the video? What do you guys think?